Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to go ahead and find your Weex exchange wallet address. So I'm going to be doing this using my mobile phone. So in order for you to do this, I'll take my mobile phone right here. As you can see, you need to make sure you come into your login to your Weex exchange account. And if you haven't created an account, my referral link will be in the description below. So you can actually create an account using my link. And I'm going to earn commission when you use my referral link. So now with this, I'll come to the home section. Then you come to assets. You come to the assets page. Then from the assets page, this is where you'll be able to get your wallet address. So in order for you to get your wallet address on Weex, you have to click on deposit. So once you click on deposit, it's going to ask you buy crypto on chain and blah blah blah. You just need to click on chain. You can see which is the first option here. You click on chain and it's going to bring out select a cryptocurrency. Now you need to go ahead and select or search the particular cryptocurrency wallet you want to go ahead and get. And if you've watched the video to this point, please go ahead and smash that red subscribe button and also give this video a like so YouTube can recommend this video to more people. This will help me and motivate me to keep creating quality contents just like this one you're actually watching. So as you can see right here, what I'll do is I'll come to here and I'll just search for USDT, for example. Let's say I want to send USDT into this wallet. Then coming here, you are going to be asked to select which network address do you want to make use of. If you want to make use of the TRC20 wallet address, or you want to make use of the ERC20. For me, I'll click the TRC20. Now clicking on TRC20, you're going to see your deposit wallet address instantly. As you can see right here, this is your deposit wallet address. You can go ahead and copy it. And if you wish to make use of a different network, you're going to have a different wallet address. It's very important for you to take note of that. So if you click on this network again, you can actually change the network. So let's say we want BEP20, and as you can see, the wallet address changed. So this is how you can actually go ahead and get wallet address for different currencies. So let's go ahead and let's try another currency. I'll go back and then search for BTC. Let's say you want to get your BTC wallet address. You come there. Now you're just going to click on BTC, and this is your BTC wallet address. Now you can copy this and you can go ahead and send crypto into your Weex exchange, and you're going to get the crypto into your Weex exchange. It's that easy. So guys, I hope you found the video really helpful. And like I said, if you found the video really helpful, please guys, don't forget to give this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video. You can also go ahead and join my Telegram channel. The link will be in the description below in case you want to stay updated on what's going on in the crypto space. Bye for now.